I feel like magnets make me think of like refrigerator wedding invitations and like classroom games, like with the letters and everything. I feel like I don't even know how to introduce my own videos anymore.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
I have had an insane few weeks. There's been a lot going on, but welcome back. Here we are. We always find our way back. Today we're trying magnetic eyelashes. I received a free PR package from Lanciley Lashes.
Move, bitch.
Sold exclusively on Amazon. This is a brand that has produced an eyelashes and eyeliner kit. It's the Invisible Magnetic Kit. This kit actually comes with 6 pairs of lashes, 10 cleaning cotton swabs, 1 magic magnetic eyeliner pen, and 1 traditional magnetic liquid eyeliner. So it seems like all of the ingredients in here are meant to make a beautiful cake, if you will. Oh, expiration 2023. Okay, good to know. I've never tried magnetic eyelashes before. I've watched videos of other people using magnetic lashes. I think it's a fabulous concept. If it's gonna save me time, I'm here for it. So on the back of the package, they give you a nice, beautiful diagram. It gives a step-by-step process of how to apply these lashes. Let's unbox these and see what's all going on here. If I break a nail opening these lashes, we're gonna have a serious problem. Ooh. Oh boy. Thanks for your support. You're welcome. It was free though. If it's free, it's for me. So these are the lashes. They're quite dramatic actually, which I don't mind, but they're a little wispy. These are actually really pretty. So all of the package ingredients, moments, elements are all right here in this little pan. I don't think, oh wait, there's something else in here. Oh, a little tweezer. I don't really use tweezers when I put on my lashes. I just use my hands. So honestly, I'm a little nervous. I'm like, am I gonna do this well? Okay, we're just gonna follow the steps.
Reading is what? Fundamental. There you have it, darling.
Step number 1. Press the button on the top of the pen until it clicks. Okay, so I think this is the pen on the top here. Looks pen-ish, pen-esque. On the top of the pen until it clicks. Okay, it clicked. Did we hear the click? I heard the click. Apply the magic eyeliner along your lash line and let it dry. Okay, is this the eyeliner? Magic eyeliner. This says magnetic. It looks like eyeliner. Oh, it says important tip on the back. We love important tips. It says shake the eyeliner prior. Oh, there's a sound effect. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the eyeliner tip is soaked with liquid. After applying the eyeliner, wait for at least 1 minute before putting on the lashes. So it's interesting. This is really, they described this as an eyeliner, not like lash glue. So I feel like I shook it up a substantial amount. What are these for? Oh, I have to pick out which lashes I'm wearing. 10 cleaning cotton swabs. Fabulous. Okay, so which lashes are we going for? Should we just start at the top right here and go for these bad boys? I do usually fit lashes to my eye beforehand in case I need to cut them. So I'm assuming that this eyeliner is what makes the band magnetic. I should have paid more attention in science class. I've applied the magnetic eyeliner and now I am, wait, what is the pen for?
Wait.
Was I supposed to shake this as well? Oh. Okay, it's definitely more doused in liquid now. So this is what makes it magnetic, I'm assuming. The only thing that sucks is I'm not good at putting on eyeliner. And being good at it, I think, might be essential to how successful your situation is. Okay. Not bad. Not Jennifer Lopez, but not bad. So I'm just gonna wait like a minute or so. I really hope I did this right. Yeah, so the pen, I'm assuming, is your for your lash line. And this kind of works as a glue-ish. These are really pretty lashes though. I don't know if I'm about to be like saved or scammed right now. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. To be honest, first impressions putting them on. Okay, yeah, I could definitely cut these on the end. Ooh, that is quite a lash. What I'm most impressed by for sure is they really do stick on there. I'm very impressed by the magnetism of it all. The instructions just seemed a little wonky to me. Like, I don't know if I was supposed to use the smaller eyeliner or just the pen on my lid. So we'll just let this dry. Showtime. Ooh. Okay, you do have to be very precise. Oh crap. When putting it on, because like I said, it really does stick. Pretty. What do you guys think? The only thing is, like I said, they're hard to adjust because like a regular falsie, you could kind of like tug and replace and adjust in certain areas. I'm gonna add a little mascara just to like try to join the lashes together. It's a lot easier to do with these lashes because they stay on like crazy. Oh wow, that just took the lashes to like Maleficent level. We can't all be the princess all the time. Sometimes you have to be the evil queen. Okay, so this is the final look. I did everything else off camera, but this is what the lashes look like. Overall, I'm very impressed. I'm impressed because they really do feel magnetic when you put them on. Would I use these in substitute of other false lashes? Probably. I don't feel like it was extremely vastly different than my usual process of putting on lashes, but I do see it being very helpful when you don't have much time. It's also a lot less messy than the Duo Glue. It's very easy to apply onto the lash band, and I like the overall process. I like the concept, and I like that this comes with so many lashes. I have 6 new pairs of lashes now for the price of nothing. It's fabulous. So the brand is Lanciley Lashes. They're available on Amazon. I will link everything about the brand and the link to this actual lash kit in the description box below. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think about this look, about these lashes, about the magnets. It doesn't feel like I have magnets on my eyes. I mean, it works. That's the most important part. It definitely works. I'm here for the magnets. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for liking this video in advance. Thank you for sharing it. Thank you for commenting. Until the next video, and until the next experience, and until the next moment. Can you guys even tell like what's happening on my eyes right now? Or no? I'm so tired. It's like 11 o'clock right now at night. Where's my phone? All right, let's take some photos.